How to enable chat heads on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger. And once you do that, click on the profile icon or picture at the top left of the screen. And then scroll down to the preferences section. And once you're there, you can see chat heads all the way at the bottom with a toggle that's turned off next to it. So in order to enable and turn on the chat heads, just click on that toggle to turn it on. And once it's on, it means that chat heads has been enabled in your Messenger app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn on and enable chat heads in your Messenger app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.